Hello students, open your grammar textbook on page number 54. Here is the new lesson, that is use of go, goes, do, does. See, read the sentences given here. I go to school every day. We go to the market by car. He goes to school by bus. I do my work before I go to bed. She does her work neatly. Look at the box given below. It tells us about the correct use of go, goes, do, does. Means students, according to this table, we can understood when we can use go, goes, do and does. Okay, see, I go to play at 6 o'clock, or I do the class work neatly. I go to swim in pool. Okay, like that. We go to play, you go to play, they go to play. Or I do the class work neatly, we do the class work neatly, you do the class work neatly, they do the class work neatly. Okay, now see the next. He goes to play at 6 o'clock. She goes to play at 6 o'clock. Neha goes to play at 6 o'clock. Anju goes to play at 6 o'clock. See, he does the classwork neatly. She does the classwork neatly. Neha does the classwork neatly. Anju does the classwork neatly. See students, according to this table, what we understood when we saw I, we, you, they in the sentence, we use go or do. Understood? मीन्स जब सेंटेंस में हम आई, वी, यू, दे ये प्रोनाउंस देखते हैं, उनके आगे हमें क्या लिखना है? गो और डू. अंडरस्टूड? सी द नेक्स्ट. और जब हम सेंटेंस में ही, शी, इट ये प्रोनाउंस देखते हैं, तब हमें क्या करना है? उनके सामने गोज और डज ये लिखना है. जब हमें गो, गोज, डू, डज का यूज़ करना हो तब. माइंड इट वेल. ओके. और सपोज अगर कौन सी भी चीज़ या पर्सन का नाम दिया है तो हमें वो रिकॉग्नाइज करना है कि वो कौन से ग्रुप में आता है, और अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ग्रुप वी हैव टू चूज गो, गोज, डू, डज. अंडरस्टूड? Now let's solve the question answers. Question A. Take the correct word in the brackets. He sings very well. He, what we use goes, does means adding s to the verb. So sings is correct. Okay. The clock, we use it for the clock. So the clock tells us the time. She claps her hands when she is happy. See the next. My grandparents, we use they. So we choose it. My grandparents eat dinner at 8 o'clock. They paint with watercolors. A tailor, we use he for the tailor. So what we choose? Stitches. A tailor stitches clothes. The children, children remembers the story I told them. Mother sits on the chair and knits. Okay, S. Now B question. Look at the pictures and write what Preeti does every Sunday. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing words from the brackets. Preeti belongs to she group, so we choose gets. Preeti gets up late in the morning. She brushes her teeth and gets ready. Then she goes cycling. She comes back and eats breakfast. She watches cartoon for some time and then helps her mother in the kitchen. She also plays chess with her father before lunch. Now turn the page. See, I wake up. I when we think about I, we take verb or doing word as it is. I wake up and get ready to visit my grandparents every Saturday. I comb my hair and dress up well. I take fruits for them and hug them when I meet them. They love me a lot. Understood? Now see the last one. A cuckoo bird, we use it for the birds, so we have to add s for the doing words. Okay, a cuckoo bird sings sweetly. We hear we, when we think about we write doing word as it is. Okay, so we hear its song before summer begins every year. I want to sing sweetly like a cuckoo bird. Understood, students? You have to solve these pages and write in notebook also and send me the photocopy. Thank you.